Carpenter bees can be very destructive to your homestead. This homemade bee trap is the only sure way to control their population. First, we need to trim the bottoms of our wood blocks. This ensures all the pieces will be uniform in size for a perfect fit. Using a robust crosscut sled on the table saw significantly enhances the safety and precision of these critical cuts. We are efficiently cutting multiple wooden pieces simultaneously to greatly accelerate the entire fabrication process. After a few passes, all bottom pieces are uniform and matched. Next, we will precisely cut the crucial front and sloping roof components specifically designed for this unique trap. These particular components require a precise 15-degree bevel angle to achieve the proper roof slope. We have carefully marked our intended cut line to accurately guide the saw blade for achieving an exact, clean cut. This specifically designed custom jig meticulously ensures that every single angled cut performed is absolutely identical. With all pieces cut, it is time for the enjoyable part: assembly. A generous amount of waterproof wood glue creates a strong bond. We tack everything in place to hold pieces securely while glue dries. Finally, the precisely cut 15-degree angled roof piece is securely attached to the very top of the structure. Constantly tired of carpenter bees seriously damaging your cherished home? Let's build a simple and effective DIY trap. Drill 1/2-inch holes upward. Bees enter and instinctively fly up, getting trapped inside the chamber. We're adding 3 entrance holes to maximize the trap's effectiveness. This design mimics their natural boring behavior in wood. Next, we will securely attach the entire collection system. Center the mason jar lid on the bottom of the trap. Pre-drilling these small holes is important to prevent the wood from splitting. Then, use screws to firmly secure the lid in place. Make sure it is snug, so the jar will attach properly. Now for the most crucial step, the 1-inch exit hole. This is where the bees will exit the wood chamber. Drawn to light, they fall in. This wonderfully simple mechanism truly makes the trap incredibly effective. And there you have it, a complete Carpenter bee trap. Effectively protect your entire homestead with this satisfyingly simple weekend project.